Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kelly. If I have some new subscribers, hello to you. Thank you for coming. And today's video is basically a foundation play with and a little bit of a wear test as well. Today's foundation that I am using is going to be the Estee Lauder Doublewear Foundation. And I got this from the NEX, the Next. And this shade that I have is Deep Spice 7W1. That's the name of this. And I'm gonna just let you guys know, I don't like the fact that it just pours out. I don't like that. Like, come on, makeup companies, stop with this thing with nothing. Stop. We don't like that. At least I don't. I don't like to pour my foundation out. I feel like it's a waste of product because most of the time you're gonna pour out a little bit too much and you just don't like know how much you're putting on your face. For me, I judge it by the pump. And so when it doesn't have a pump, I don't like that. It's a big turn off. And I got this for $36. Usually I think anywhere on the internet or any other store it's $42. And it says it's for all skin types, 15-hour staying power, looks fresh and flawless throughout heat, humidity, non-stop activity, won't change color, smudge, or come off on clothes. Lightweight and so comfortable you won't believe it's long wear. Medium buildable coverage. Won't clog pores, oil controlling, oil free, fragrance free, all that good stuff. And this is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on my flat top. I'm gonna create a nice little look for this, and then we're gonna do the wear test. I am gonna go ahead and put this on my flat top, and I want you guys to see what it looks like as it's pouring out. So that, I don't like it because I don't know how much I'm putting on my face. So I have all this here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face. I'm already moisturized. You guys know that I use the Neutrogena sensitive skin moisture, whatever that shit is, that's what I use. And then for my primer, I use the Rimmel London Fix and Perfect. That's still my favorite primer. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and dot this on my face. Okay guys, so I let my foundation dry down just a little bit. I gave it a few minutes. It's definitely more dry, literally, definitely more dry. Not getting much transfer from it now at all. So that's good. So now I'm gonna move to concealer. Today I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. This is literally my favorite. And so I'm basically using the top corner shade there. I only have a little bit left, guys, so bear with me. I freaking love this concealer. Okay guys, so I literally did a light bake and I swept that off with my, what is that, Black Radiance powder that I have. I went ahead and took my bake off, and for bake I used the Sacha Buttercup. So today I'm using a brand new product that I haven't used before. It is the Sacha Cosmetics blush. Let me go ahead and take it out of the box. Now this is their matte brown pigment. Now basically it doubles as a blush and a contouring agent, and I'm gonna use it for contouring today. So I thought this would be perfect. This is what it looks like right here. Sacha Cosmetics. I got it off of Amazon, and I will leave the link below. I definitely can't remember the price on this. It may have been $15. Not really sure, but you guys, you know, let's see how much product you get. You get 8 grams of product in this. Because I had, you know, good vibes with their setting powder, good vibes with their, you know, other blush shades that they have. So I was like, let me just try this. And y'all know I don't use powder contours. So this will be, you know, new for me a little bit. It's not bad. Definitely snatched my cheekbone. Definitely snatched the fuck out of it real quick. Okay, definitely snatched both. Okay. I'm kind of liking it, just a little bit. But I can't go too heavy because y'all know how it is with powder contours. But let me go ahead and, you know, cut my contour on the side with my Morphe Beauty Sponge. I've grown to really, really love this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off really quickly. I'm not gonna let it set and do too much just because, you know, I'm gonna do a wear test on the foundation, so. Okay, so now for a blush, I'm going to use my Sasha Cosmetics blush in Shame Cinnamon. Ooh, there's a lot of kickback right then. Come on, Sasha. Really cute. Hey guys, I am back. You guys, I'm gonna just let y'all know, off camera though, I'm sad because you guys can't just see, you know, every little fine detail right now on camera, but off camera, this foundation is so pretty. It looks like, I legit, you guys look like a porcelain doll. Like in the mirror, I look like a porcelain doll. Now, I will say that, you know, this foundation it's straight up bomb. Not even gonna lie. But this will not be, you know, my everyday foundation. It's heavy, not physically heavy, because it honestly feels like I really don't have much on my face. But I just feel like in person, like I look like a doll, but my foundation or whatever is on my face, it looks heavy. But at the same time, it looks natural. Like, but I'm not gonna play myself. You know, I wouldn't wear this. Honestly, I would not wear this foundation throughout the day. Like, I don't know. I think I would feel like this foundation would be more appropriate for nighttime. That's just me. Like, I just feel like it looks too perfect, if that makes sense. I don't even know if that makes sense, but that's how I feel. I feel like it just looks too perfect. Okay. Moving on from that, for the lips today, I have, you know, 2 cute little, you know, glosses that I really, really like, that I fell in love with last year. I think the shades are super pretty, super pretty. This is a drugstore brand, but there are 2 different products. So I've got 2 Revlon products right here for the lips. And again, I just really like the formulas. I just really think it's cute. So this first one, this is what it looks like. It has the Revlon logo there. And the name of this one is called Desert Spice. And this is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Gloss. This one is by Revlon as well. And the name of this is called Smoky Quartz, and it is the Revlon Ultra HD Lip Liqueur. I love both of these, but it's interesting because I don't like them separately. I know, crickets. I don't like them separately, but I like them together. So how I use this is I put this one on first, the Desert Spice, then I top it with this one, the Smoky Quartz, and it just gives a really cute, I don't line, like I'm not a big huge lip liner unless I'm wearing, you know, actual lipstick, an actual stick, then I'll feel like I really need to line. If I'm wearing a gloss or a liquid lipstick, chances are like 80% chance I'm not lining. It's like whatever for me. So I put this one on first, the Desert Spice. This is a gloss, guys. It's really pretty, right? But on its own, I don't like it. So I'm gonna just put a little bit more. And it's definitely buildable, as you can see. Like, you can keep building it up. But I still feel like I just don't like it by itself. Like, I feel like it's just not fucking enough. It's not enough. So that's all I use with the Desert Spice, and then I'm gonna put the Smoky Quartz on top. Now this one kind of has like a brush. It's like an actual brush. See? And that's what it looks like, obviously. So I'm gonna take some of this. This is like, I love this one. I do. So I'm gonna just put it on top. You see? Look at. See, like together. Shoot. That's teamwork. Teamwork. See? See how pretty it looks together? They're so pretty. You guys don't hate me because I don't even know if these are still like being sold, honestly. I got these early last year. So yeah, that's what it's doing. So now that we're done, I'm gonna go ahead and hit my face up with my Wet n Wild setting spray. I'm gonna do a little reveal like I said, and then I'll be back to do my wear test. Hey guys, so I'm back. This is what I'm looking like. I did my wear test. It's been 5 hours. I thought I got done filming at 1 o'clock, but I actually got done at 1:30. It is now 6:30 p.m. and this is what I'm looking like. So as you can see, my lip gloss is completely gone because I've eaten, I've drank, I've done all that good stuff. I've been out into the world. And this is what she's looking like, guys. It's that double wear right here. So like I said, you guys, I really love this foundation. This is really good. It was amazing when I first put it on. I noticed that it did oxidize a lot after I put it down. After I put it on, a lot it oxidized. So I wasn't crazy about that, but that was okay. I thought it looked beautiful. It was really stunning. Like I told you guys, I thought that my face looked like a doll in person. But I did feel like it was just too much for a daytime look, just the foundation itself. I mean, it's beautiful, it's stunning. I just don't think that I'll bring this back out for daytime. It's just, I don't think so. But see, this is what it looks like. And my laugh lines, they're okay. They peek through a lot. I'm actually really surprised at the amount of oil that has seeped through with this foundation. I'm really surprised. I thought it would be a little bit more matte. I don't think that It claims to be a matte foundation, which it doesn't. But I just thought it was gonna be, I don't know, I just thought it would hold up a little bit better based on the way it looked when I first applied it and how it looked when I got done with the rest of my face. So the lash lines are okay. The oil, not too happy about. But like I said, this is just gonna be a nighttime foundation. I'm pretty sure that's what it's gonna do. So there's a lot of oil. Now usually when I do that with a drugstore foundation, I will definitely get more foundation back on my fingers, but there is a good amount of oil on my face right now. As you can see, as I'm pressing, it's taking the oil away just a little bit. So this is not a gimmick. I didn't spray anything on my face. I actually ate nothing that was oily. So I'm not really happy about that, but this is a good foundation. I think this is a good one. I just gotta, you know, keep it for nighttime, like I said, guys. So that is the end. And it said it doesn't transfer, right? It said it doesn't transfer. I have a towel right here. I want to see if it transfers. Not really. Didn't really transfer. That's cool. Good stuff, Estee Lauder. Alright guys, so that's the end of my video. If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're already subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell. Okay, make sure you hit that bell so you know every time I upload. So you get that notification. Be like, ooh, Kelly got something for me. Yes, I do. Kelly got something for me. Yes, I do. So you guys have a good week. Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.